much excited. Nandito na tayo sa Ongpin. Guys, I feel like I'm in Hong Kong. Ang daming tinitinda, more on Chinese food, especially tikoy. So yeah. So nandito na kami sa loob ng Estero restaurant, just beside the Esteros of Binondo. So it's our first time here. I'm very excited. Finally, nakarating na rin kami dito. So we're gonna try the food here. For me, it really is a must visit na place kung may mga lalo mga foreigner, but kahit of course wala masyadong foreigner sa ano because of the travel restrictions, but even though kahit tayo mga Filipino, we have to really explore, so ingay, we have to explore our own tourist spots. And since we're celebrating the Chinese New Year pretty much soon, obviously we have to also understand the heritage of our Filipino-Chinese na mga brothers and sisters, kasi part na yun ng culture natin. So yeah, so we're just gonna wait for the food. Cash basis sila dito, and then titingnan natin kung gaano kasarap yung mga pagkain nila dito. Alright, excited. So guys, ito yung kanilang menu. Restaurant dito sa Binondo, and what better way to celebrate the Chinese New Year but to of course explore the oldest Chinatown in the world. Dito yan matatagpuan sa Philippines. So since nasa global pandemic tayo, we can still support our local tourism and we can still explore, but of course we have to practice yung minimum safety health standards na pinapagawa ng mga iba-ibang LGU and of course our government. So nandito na yung food natin. Siyempre, chop suey and very Chinese, and this is frog legs and garlic fried rice. Tikman natin to. First time ko to, this is frog legs. Ito. Kasi nga siguro, mga maliliit na buto kasi nga frogs, no? Pero sarap, no? Sobrang kumakain ko lang ng chicken din. Pero yeah, very nice. Right, okay, of course, ito, yung kapsoy. Super pa lang, sobrang sarap na. May itlog ng pugo, may mga veggies, hindi pang sahog na chop suey. So, tara, kakain na kami. Mas marami kumain. So, comment ko, review for the frog legs. Kasi lasa niya yung butter chicken. Plus, yun nga, siguro marami na siyang buto kasi talaga sa frog. In other words, kita ng palaka yung kinain namin kanina. So talaga ang daming buto, maliliit ang buto. I don't recommend it na para sa mga bata kasi baka malunin yung buto. And yun na, careful lang sa pagkain kasi hindi siya kagaya na, of course sa isda, tinig yun na mapuso. Pero ito, obviously, pag nalunok mo hindi naman siya ganun ka-comfortable. For the chop suey, sobrang sarap din. So, we really, intention namin talaga yung bumili ng mga food na hindi pa namin nakakain. Kasi yung mga ibang food naman dito, obviously na tikman na namin or nakakain namin, even sa lugar na pinuntahan namin or sa bahay, no? Plus at the same time, siguro makakompare ko yung lugar na to sa I think Jupen ng Taiwan, yung eskinita niya, no, sa Taipei, not in Taipei, in Taiwan, and also sa Macau, and also sa Hong Kong. All of which, syempre lahat yun, ang connection niya is the Chinese culture, the Chinese heritage. So, really highly recommended. Siguro, I just hope na mag-level up pa ang lugar na to at i-promote ng ating Department of Tourism or ng local government unit. Although kilala na rin naman siya, siguro sa pagdating lang sa aesthetics na para mas kaya siya. But still, pinupuntahan pa rin siya ng mga tao kasi it has been a tradition and it has been a go-to place for people who want to try Chinese food, Filipino Chinese food here in Pinoy. So yeah. Na-explore na namin itong Ongpin na to. Obviously talagang sobrang colorful, lalo na yung mga Chinese lanterns right now na naka-suspend sa air. Tapos of course yung mga fruits na binibenta sa kalsada na mga lucky charm this Chinese New Year. And of course yung mga food kanina dun sa Estero restaurant. So really, this is really a Filipino Chinese culture that we all have to appreciate and of course explore. Especially na kahit na nasa global pandemic tayo, huwag natin kalimutan na i-appreciate and of course puntahan itong mga local tourist spots natin and of course support local businesses. So there, so babalik na kami sa aming pinanggalingan kanina. So yeah, see you guys later. Kasi 2021 si Yorme talagang namang pinapaganda lalo yung Maynila kasi before yung Binondo, pag sinasabi natin Binondo talagang daming mga spaghetti wars, mga spaghetti electric na nakasabit. Pero ngayon may bago na naman dito na truly would tell us that this is the Chinatown of the Philippines or the oldest Chinatown in the world. So ito, meron na naman silang bagong tayo na talaga magsasabi na nasa Chinatown ka na. Sobrang ganda. I think this is a lamppost, no? Doon pa lang may ilaw na sa taas eh. No, baka solar power din siya. So right now nagkakabit pa sila. And so pag pinuno nila yung lalo, mas gaganda pa yung place na to and truly mas lalabas yung pagiging Chinatown niya. So good job Manila. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share yung experiences nyo sa Lucky Chinatown, sa Binondo, and of course, share this video. And of course, don't forget to hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa next road trip and travel adventures natin. And please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. And also, please follow or like my social media accounts, which is The Wayner. That's my Facebook page, and at Waynelip for my Instagram account. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done with my exploration, our exploration dito sa Binondo, sa Chinatown, sa Lucky Chinatown, and I truly enjoyed it. Marami akong ginawang first time, and masasabi ko talaga na kailangan talaga hindi tayo maging dayuhan sa sarili nating bayan. Yes. You know, even though we can't go outside the country and explore different places, still, you know, the different, you know, cultures that we have here, or the culture that we have here locally, still may enjoy pa rin natin, no? So please stay safe. If you're gonna explore, follow all safety protocols, social distancing, physical distancing. What else? Of course, sanitize your hands, your gadgets, and make sure that you keep safe. Alright? So there you go guys. Happy Chinese New Year. Kong Hei Fat Choy, especially for our Filipino Chinese community. Because here, till our next adventure, you're the winner.